Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with DYlane. Today we are on lesson 42 of the pronunciation course. We are almost done. And we are going to learn everything about the letter M. For the book it's on page 75 and the recording are 81 and 82. This lesson is going to be very easy. We are not going to review anything about nasal sound. So when M is a part of a sound such as on, etc. We are not reviewing that today. We've seen that before. Go check out the playlist, it's in the description box if you need. All the lessons are available, they're free, you can just watch them. Today we are only focusing on M when it's pronounced M. So let's see the IPA. The IPA is simply the letter M. So for the pronunciation, your tongue is going to stay at the bottom of your mouth, the air goes through your mouth, and for the lips, it's going to be from open to close, from inside to outside. So here we have a difference between when we pronounce the letter itself and when we pronounce the sound. If I say M, I go from open to close to open, from outside to inside to outside. M. But if I pronounce it with something after, I start from close. Mi, ma, mu, etc. Okay? Make sense? So you have the list of the recordings. They're very important to practice. So listen. Practice, okay? Let's see some example. When M is at the beginning of the word, we have Mercredi. This one is complicated to pronounce. Mercredi. So here the E are pronounced two different ways. We have mer, it's a sound E, and then we have edi, so it's a sound E, mer and E, so E and E. Mercredi. Then manger, un miroir. Un miroir. When we have one M in the middle of the word, we have charmant. Une caméra. Une caméra. And finally, une plume. Une plume. The next one is when we have two M in the middle of the word. We have M, and usually we're going to have a E at the end. Let's see. Une pomme. Une pomme. Une somme. Une somme. Un gramme. Okay? Gramme. This one is a bit confusing. I honestly was not sure if I should put it in the M section or in the open E and close E. So I put it in the M. Hope I made the good choice. If you haven't watched the lesson about open E and close E, it's better for you to go watch it and come back to this one after, it's gonna be easier. Let's see the first one. Un forum. Un forum. So here, the U is a closed sound. Forum. Next one, maximum. And the last one, de l'opium. Okay? That's it for this one. Tomorrow we are going to see everything about N and GN. Very interesting lesson. I always say that actually at the end. I always say it's a very interesting lesson tomorrow because I do believe it is. I hope you think too. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.